Okay, we're going to draw a chair together. Okay, this is the chair to be drawn. The red is facing you, and we're going to give you a hard time on drawing this. So visualization. The red facing you roughly, okay? Red facing you. There's a bond between the red and the blue, okay? That one will be one pair of the parallel. So I'm holding one set of parallel bond. Since it's pointing down a little bit, okay, I'll say this pointing down a little bit. Okay, my red is pointing out. So keep in mind there's a red pointing out. Okay, I'm going to change another color. So now I'm moving my hand one bond away, one bond away. So this set of bond, my hand is pointing at, holding at. Okay, red is still pointing to the front. Mm-hmm. So we are now moving to, this is, the previous one was roughly pointing down. The set that's my hand, my hand is pointing out. Previous was roughly pointing up. This is roughly pointing up. The same of the one behind, right? This set. Previous was roughly pointing down. Now roughly pointing up, roughly pointing up. So the roughly pointing up to bond. The bond my hand is pointing up. Okay, roughly pointing up. Okay, here. A previous one. That looks so ugly. Okay. 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 And then 3 bonds away from the red. Roughly pointing down. Here. Okay, this one. Roughly pointing down. Too far away. Okay, let me fix my chair a little bit. That looks so ugly. My blue. Fix it. Okay, now we're going to add the atoms. We set roughly like here. Red, equatorial bond, pointing out. Equatorial bond should always be parallel to one of. Okay, this is the red. And I also have another red in the back. So the red 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. This red is pointing down. Okay, that's easy. Okay, light blue. Okay, red is here. Light blue is equatorial pointing down. So equatorial bond is 1, 2. Okay, it should be roughly parallel to the purple line. Okay. And I also have another equatorial here. 1 bond away from the red. Equatorial pointing down. So this will be parallel to the other sets. Okay, everything else is hydrogen. So everything else is hydrogen. just practicing hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. Did I miss any? No. Okay, equatorial. Hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay, that should be all.